In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Smartsheet sheets. This process allows you to dynamically connect data from one sheet to another, giving you the flexibility to keep information consistent and up to date across your Smartsheets. Smartsheet offers a seamless way to manage projects and workflows, and linking sheets can be especially useful when you're dealing with large data sets or need to consolidate information from different sources. To begin, open the destination sheet where you wish to display the linked data. This is the sheet that will eventually showcase the information pulled from another Smartsheet. Once you're in the destination sheet, identify the cell in which you want this linked data to appear. This is a crucial step because it determines where your imported data will be visible and can directly impact how you organize and visualize the information across your projects. Next, right-click on the chosen cell in your destination sheet. This action prompts a context menu to appear, providing several options. From here, select the option labeled Link from Cell in Other Sheet. This feature is what makes the dynamic connection between sheets possible, allowing for seamless data integration and offering a snapshot of relevant information updated in real time. After selecting the option to link from a cell in another sheet, a dialog box will open, presenting you with a list of available sheets. These are the sheets currently in your Smartsheet account that you have access to. Carefully choose the source sheet from this list, as this is where the data you want to link originates. The choice of the source sheet will depend on the type of data and the specific project requirements you have. Now, once you've selected the appropriate source sheet, navigate to the exact cell you intend to link. Take the time to verify that you've chosen the correct cell, keeping in mind that this is the source of your data. Accurately linking the right cell is essential to ensuring that the information displayed in your destination sheet is both correct and useful. Once you're confident in your selection, click on the desired cell. Finally, to complete the linking process, click OK. This action confirms your selection and establishes the link between the chosen cell in the source sheet and the corresponding cell in your destination sheet. From this point on, any updates to the source cell will automatically reflect in the destination cell, promoting real-time data consistency and enhancing workflow efficiency. And there you have it. With these steps, you can effortlessly keep your data synced across multiple sheets, ensuring that everyone in your team has access to the most current information. This feature allows you to streamline your projects and maintain a cohesive overview, regardless of where your data resides within Smartsheet. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful in enhancing your Smartsheet skills.